welcome you to Integrated Theology, where we combine and we integrate every or as much as we can those fields of study that are locked within the consistent and the comprehensive study on theology. I am your host, Bishop Dr. Derek A. Reeves, and let's dive right in to the third supplemental lecture of Lecture 19, Part 1. Today's lecture will be A Mind That is Unbound by Time. Again, when we speak of the mind of pneumatic beings, we covered the different forms of the aorist tense that deals with specifically the action, not the amount of time, not the process, and not even the state of being or the state of existence. When we deal with the aorist tense, we're talking about the action that was done. And so he created somewhere before time and space was implemented in the natural realm. He created spiritual beings beyond time, beyond space. They came forth out of his very mouth. Again, when we look at the mouth, according to the ancient Hebrew lexicon of the Bible, written by Jeff Boehner, this terminology of the mouth, the pe, it expresses the border or the end of something. It is very important because it speaks of God now in his infinite state coming to the brink where he now deals with the finite. The infinite produces the finite. And this infinite, through the act of bara, the generation of reality through the very spoken thought word of God. But it's very interesting because not only does bara implicate that God used spontaneous words of thought to bring into existence the entirety of the material universe, but it also expresses the capacity of God to breathe and to unleash the Lagosian thought of thought that gives reality to the thought of what he desires to be. He breathes, and in the breath is the concealed thought word or logos that brings into existence minds that are not human, minds that are not physical, that are not integrated into a brain, that are not integrated and utilized through sensory mechanisms such as the body's 5 senses. These minds then have only the sense orientation of their breath. The vibrations of their breath brings them to be in tune with the mind of God and the spirit realm that was created from that mind. Therefore, they can sense through the vibrations of the reality. They can sense spiritual things, know them, operate in them, because they are in tune with the very realm of that spirit. And so when we consider this, we must also consider that they are beyond time and space. It doesn't take them weeks to discover information. It doesn't take them minutes to look up information. They are like a quantum computer where they think and they know. They think and they do. They think about a place and they're there. And so they are unbound by space, by location, by traveling. by discovery, by learning as we are. Our minds must operate and function in time. Angelic or pneumatic minds operate and function beyond time. It doesn't take them long. Long is a word of duration that can explicably be united with the understanding of time. But when you are in eternity, eternity is a place where there is no time. Therefore, when we speak of pneumatic beings created from the Word of God, these beings were created with boundless capacity to know, boundless capacity to understand everything from the spirit realm into the natural realm. For if you are forged in a higher realm, you automatically can flow and operate in the natural realm. And so these minds, they are not bound by time. They are not bound by confusion. Neither are they bound by restrictions because the brain has not yet been developed to know. Their knowledge comes through sense. The sense is the existent reality of their breathing capacity of nature to be in tune with everything from the vibrations that came into existence by the Word of God. We may deal with this a little more. It is very complex, but we thank you for being with us. Again, my name is Bishop Dr. Derek A. Reeves, and this has been Integrated Theology, the supplemental lecture 3 to lecture 19, part 1. God bless you.